Hi, so today I want to show you how to move your folders with Superpower ChatGPT into other folders or other subfolders. Um, to do this, first you need to have the Superpower ChatGPT extension installed. So go to Google, search for Superpower ChatGPT, click on the first link. It will send you to this new page where you can click on Add to Chrome button up here, and it will add the extension to your browser. Once you add the extension to your browser, you can go back to ChatGPT, refresh the page, and it will load all the feature of Superpower ChatGPT in your browser. So I want to show you how to move folders in this video. So basically, to move folders, there are different ways to do it. You can click on the three dot here, and then click on Move Folder here, and it will open a new menu for you right here. Um, in this menu at the top you see Move to Root. This is currently disabled because the folder that we are moving is already in the root directory. So we have all these other folders. They're on each folder, and as you can see when I hover over it, it shows you this Move to this folder button. This is the folder that we are moving. You can see that it's kind of grayed out because we can't move a folder into itself. But then you can click on any of these folders, and once you do that, it will move that folder into the folder that you selected. You can also, if you want to move a certain folder into a subfolder, you can just click on this on the folder, and it will open that folder with all of its subfolder. Now I can move that client one folder into this new folder down here if I click on this button. I'm going to do that right now. Move to this folder, and as you can see, the client one is removed from here. If I go to client 2 and new folder, I can see that the client one is now moved here. I'm gonna try to move it one more time, move it back to where it was. So now this time the move to root is not disabled because the folder that I'm moving is not already in the root directory, and I want to move it to the root directory. So if I click on move to root, it will move the client one directory back to the root directory, and it will add it here. Of course, you can do the exact same thing you were doing here from the manager. If you go to the manager, you have the same menu here. You can click on move folder, and it will show you the same menu, and you can move folder here. Also, if you're trying to move a folder into a new folder, you can click on here, click on move folder, and right here there is a button that says new folder. I can just click on new folder. It will add a new folder for me at the top, and I can just click on move to this folder and move it into this new folder. I'm going to close this and go back to the top here. Now that's how you can move folder into subfolders. I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any other questions.